Hello children, welcome back to the online session of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. So far you have learned about numbers, isn't it? We have learned to represent numbers using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And this system is called Hindu-Arabic system. So there is another form of representing numbers which is called the Roman number system. Here in the Roman number system we use 7 alphabets to represent numbers. So today we will learn how to represent numbers using the Roman numbers or Roman numerals. Okay, shall we go and see the video? So today we are going to learn about Roman numerals. I have already given an introduction about Roman numbers. So let us learn about the Roman numerals today. Now, before that, let us see what our system says. Our system is known as Hindu-Arabic system because in number system, we write the numbers using the symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and they are called numerals. As the system was invented by the Indians and carried to other nations by the Arabs, this system is called Hindu-Arabic system. So, the number system which the Indians used are called Hindu-Arabic system. Now, let us see what the Roman numerals say. These ancient Romans used a special system to show numbers. They did not use the numbers which we used. They used 7 letters of the English alphabet to represent numbers. These numbers are called Roman numerals. Now let us see which the 7 letters are. They are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. And now let us see how they are being represented. The 7 letters represent the following numbers. I is 1. V is 5. X is 10. L is 50. C is 100. D is 500 and M is 1000. So the 7 letters represent the following numbers. Now let us see the Roman numbers from 1 to 10. 1 the number represents as I. 2 2 I's. 3 3 I's. 4 I and V. 5 V. 6 is V and I. 7 is V I I. 8 is V I I. 9 is I and X. And 10 is X. So if you learn the numbers from 1 to 10, it will be easy for you to write any other number in Roman. Now let us remember 2 things. The thing is, there is no symbol for 0 in the Roman system. And Roman system does not have any place values to write numbers. Now, there are certain rules of addition and subtraction when we write Roman numbers. Now, in this class, we are going to learn how to write the numbers from 1 to 39. And we use the symbols I, V and X to write the numbers from 1 to 39. Now let us go for the first rule 1. Numerals I and X can be repeated only up to 3 times. You cannot repeat the numerals more than that. For example, we have I which is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. We cannot write I 3 times and write the number as 4. That will be wrong. Now, let us see the next one. X and x, which is equal to 10 plus 10, which is equal to 20. Now, the next rule 2. A numeral written after a numeral of greater value means addition. Now, we have the numeral given as Vi. V represents 5 and I represents 1. So, Vi is equal to 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6. Next, XXV. We can see that the numeral V is smaller than the other numeral X. And when you write in this way, then it means addition. So, XXV is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 5, which is equal to 25. Now, rule 3. A numeral written before a numeral of greater value means subtraction. Now, let us see what this means and how it is read. I and V. You can see that V is greater and I is smaller. I is written before the greater number, and that means subtraction. So, V is equal to 5 and I is equal to 1. So, you have to subtract the number here, 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. Now, I and X, because the greater number is 10, the number 1 is subtracted from it and you get 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So, I hope you have understood, children. Rule 4. Now, if a number is placed between two numbers of great value, it is subtracted from the number on the right. Let us see some examples for this. Now, X, I and V. We can see that the number I is in between the numbers X and V, which is a smaller number. So, this is written as the first number 10 plus the number 1 is subtracted from the number 5. 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. So, 10 plus 4, which is equal to 14. Now, let us see another example. X, I and X. I is between two greater numbers X and X. So, you have to subtract the number I from the number X. So, 10 plus 10 minus 1, which is equal to 10 plus 9, which is equal to 19. So, did you get that, children? Okay.